Hey, good morning, everybody at Garden. This is science teacher Jeff saying hi. Just want to let everybody know that I'm okay, and I got a great activity for you for this spring. I want to start by saying hi to all my friends in Butterfly and Sunshine, all my friends in Harmony and Rainbow, and all my friends in Angel Scouts and Warriors. All right, then. So here it is. It's springtime, and if you go outside right now, you'll notice that the flowers are blooming. You might notice that birds have come back and are starting to nest a little bit. You might notice that, the leaves are growing back on trees. Bears are coming out, and frogs and snakes are coming out from hibernation. A lot more, it's getting a lot warmer. One of the reasons why in the spring it gets a lot warmer is because in the northern hemisphere where we live, the sun is a little bit closer to where we're at, so the day is extended a little bit longer. All right, now, the one thing I wanted to do is I wanted to present an activity that everybody at the school could do. And since it's spring, there are a lot of flowers that are blooming outside right now. So what I want to do and what I propose is I want you guys to make a springtime flower book. And it's real easy. You take 3 or 4 pieces of paper, take that paper, and you fold it. You fold it into a little booklet, a pamphlet that you can use, okay? I have a booklet that I've started that I'm getting ready to finish. This is my springtime booklet. I've got my 5 pages. I've made a cover page or a title page for my booklet. It's real, I use different materials I found around the house and I glued them onto a piece of paper. You can put your own picture, you can put a flower, you can draw a picture, you can use whatever materials you can find to use. Now, like I said, you can use markers, pencils, crayons, tape, maybe even some wax paper or cellophane paper, uh, plastic bag, scissors, glue, okay? And this is how you're going to make this, okay? So, like I said, you take your three pieces of paper, you fold them over, boom. You made your title page, right? Boom. So, here, let's explore inside now, okay? So inside, this is what you're going to do. You're going to take you're going to take a flower that you found. You're going to tape it inside or glue it inside your booklet. And then you're going to draw a picture of that same flower, okay? It's real easy. What you do is you take a flower, okay? Right here, I got it prepped. Take a flower. If you use real flowers, put all your flowers on the left-hand side. If it's a real flower, what you do is you glue it in, then you take a plastic Ziploc bag or cellophane and you cut around the image of the flower and then you tape it on down. And that's what I've done. I've taped my flowers in my book. Now you can go another way too, and you can take a picture of the flower, right? Taking a picture of the flower, downloading it on your computer or your laptop, and then printing it up on your printer is also a feasible way to do this project. My only request that I ask is if you see a flower and it's growing on a plant and there's none on the ground, as a last resort, pick that flower. Got to remember, flowers are responsible for giving us oxygen, and once that flower is no longer attached to the plant, it no longer makes that oxygen that we need, right? Okay, so what I did again is I taped the flower into my booklet, right? And then I drew a picture, just like so, and I put the name on it. Okay, so this is how I want this to go. It's nice and it's very practical. I want Sunshine and Butterfly to make a booklet of 3 pages long. And I want you to collect 3 different flowers and draw pictures of those flowers. For Harmony House and Rainbow Room, I want you to do the same thing. I want you to make a booklet of 3 pages long. I also want you to gather 3 different flowers to put into your book. For you, I also want you to practice your writing and to write the name of the flower that you have found that you've put in your book. For you, Angel Scouts and Warriors, I want you to do a little bit more. I want you to make a book 5 pages long, find 5 different flowers, and write the names of those flowers in your book. One last thing too, Scouts and Warriors. I want you to find a fact about each of the flowers you found and write that fact down in your booklet with your flowers. All right, I think this is a doable project and activity for you guys. I don't think you'll have any problems. Make sure you have your parent help you and assist you when needed in this project. And remember, I'll see you soon. All right then, everybody. Take it slow.